In this video, we're going to learn how to say I have never in Arabic. Yalla. Okay, so this phrase came up in one of our classes and we did a little explanation. I did a little explanation and then we did some exercises on how to use this phrase. So if you want to say I have never, you would say ma umri plus a past tense verb, just like English. I have never. In Arabic, it's like saying, he in English would be I have never been. In Arabic, you would say I never went. عمري ما رحت. I have never eaten. Some people say I never ate, but see, بالعربي, this is kind of how it is. I never plus past tense verb. So عمري or ما عمري أكلت بهذا المطعم, in this restaurant. Or the other thing is you can switch it. So you could say ما عمري or عمري ما. Okay? ما عمري, I never or I have never. Okay? ما عمري or عمري ما. You can switch the order. It will mean the same thing. Now, we said ما عمري or عمري ما plus a past tense verb. Past tense verb, we could say, for example, عمري ما رحت أو رحت. I've never been. رحت is went, yeah? But يعني in English, been in that case. But عمري ما رحت على اليابان or ع اليابان. ع is just a shorter form of على. على is to in spoken Arabic. It's exactly like ila in Fusha. But in ila, we don't really use in Ammiya, spoken Arabic. Okay, if you're brand new in Arabic, make sure to check out the free mini course. This video is meant for people that have been studying a little bit and know kind of what Arabic they're studying. But if you happen to stumble upon this, make sure to check out the mini course. If you have been studying but are still, need some guidance, make sure to check out the mini course as well and sign up to be on our wait list for when our courses open up. So ما عمري and عمري ما plus a past tense verb. You could also use this with future tense verb, just like English. I will never go to this restaurant. ما عمري حروح هذا المطعم. Or عمري ما حروح هذا المطعم. ما عمري حروح هذا المطعم. عمري ما حروح هذا المطعم. So عمري ما ح. Whenever you hear رح or ح, these are future tense indicators. Okay. In عامية, this is like سوف in فصحى. Okay. If you don't know what فصحى is in عامية, if you don't know what Fusha is, you can ignore this or how to say what Sawfa is. But if you have been studying both types of Arabic, I'm just giving you some examples so you can relate to what's what. So Ha is a future tense indicator whenever you hear this in spoken Arabic, or Rah. Both are very commonly used, very widely used. Rah or Ha interchangeably. So, for example, I will go Ha ruh or Rah aruh. I will eat Ana haakul or Rah aakul. Tamam. So in this case, we're saying عمري ما حروح or عمري ما راح أروح. عمري ما حروح. عمري ما راح أروح على هذا المكان. عمري ما راح أروح على هذا المطعم, for example. Okay, and obviously you can. We said we can use it with past tense. We can use it in the future tense. Obviously, similar context to English. Okay, but you just kind of have to know what's what. First to say I will never, or I have never. ما عمري or عمري ما. With past tense, you're just adding a past tense verb. With the future tense, you need to add راح or ح plus the present tense. Okay. راح أروح, راح أشوف, راح أعمل, etc. Okay, that's pretty much the video from today. This was an idea that came up during one of our workshops, and someone asked, one of the students asked the question, and then I ended up kind of explaining it a little bit, and then we did some exercises. So I figured it might be useful for you guys as well. احكوا لي إذا عندكم أي أسئلة, وزي العادة إذا عندكم أي اقتراحات, if you have any suggestions, زي العادة as usual, احكوا لنا بالتعليقات. Let us know in the comments. بشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next video.